everyone, my name is Focus and today I will talk about how to make crab fried rice. So the ingredients: butter, garlic, egg, crab, corn, some vegetable and rice and some soy sauce. Put in the butter and then the garlic. Okay. Next is the egg, put it in. Put in the other stuff, so when everything is cooked, you put in the rice. So I'm using brown rice, but you can also use the white kind of rice. You gotta be a bit careful. Gotta mix it in properly. Next, you put in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next is half a teaspoon of some sugar. Next is the thing you taste it, so it's a bit longer. Everything equal. So next is to close the heat, and next is to also put everything in. So this is crab fried rice, and this is going to be my dinner now. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Me, this is me.